Recording. Here we go. Third time's a charm, I think. You guys watching? Sure. Okay, I'm going to go into orthographic view and I'm going to bring the background. Hopefully this will work. Add image reference. Let's hope Mayura animation here. This is the PNG. Boom, I loaded it and I'm going to press S. I'm going to crank this super large. Bring it over, and I think this is what would look like in 3D, supposedly, okay? Okay, normally you guys don't have your scene done this way. So here's the key. You press N. Come under, you have to be in camera mode. Boom, camera here, like that. Go to view, view up here, and then make sure you select 3D camera to view here, okay? And for the life of me, I can't see anything. Oh, here it is. Yeah, I'm here. Okay, cool. So again, everything's working. It's a little dark in here. And I'm just gonna go like this. So if this was your background in the back, and you got to make sure, okay, you got to make sure your animation is inside. So if you see your camera wobbling like this, it means there's a key here. I'm just going to go delete like this. See it. There should be no movement. Whoa. Maybe this has a movement. Let me see here. This is the problem. So I got to turn off auto animate here. And I'm going to look for my camera. Look at all these keys for animate. I'm going to delete them all. Did you guys see that? You see, look, I'm selected camera. There's all these keys, right? Look, ding, ding, ding. Camera's moving up and down. And if that was intentional, that's fine, right? But if I go like this now, I go select all this, press X, delete keyframes, there should be no movement now. Okay, sweet. Now there is no movement. At this point, let's just watch the animation and see where we're at, okay? Boom, 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 everything takes off. So I need to zoom out of this camera a bit so this additional items take place. Okay, so you see this is the safe frame here. I click out. Now I can go like this. Nothing will change. Okay, so boom, boom, like this, and you're good. Okay, at this point, then you can go to print. Come over here. I'm going to make a new folder. I'm going to go to desktop. I'm going to find my Ura's folder. I'm going to say over there, and I'm going to call it test. Boom. Accept. Double check, FF, MPEG, MPEG-4, high quality, good. We're good. Okay, we say accept, see you later, and then we go to render animation, okay? So when this is done, I have no idea why it's pink or fuchsia. It's kind of cool, actually. That works for me. I think the light is overblowing it. But basically, this is it, all right? So we just want to make sure your camera sees this. For all you people in the room that have the background, this is what you need, okay? Balian out, that's it. Hopefully I can press stop.